Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A quick tutorial vid for today, and basically if one way or another your screen has, things are missing and you can't get it back to normal, there's a couple of things you can do. And the first thing is you go up to View, Layout, and down to Restore Default Settings. And that's all it's going to do, just the default display settings, and voila, that's it. Another thing is, I'm just telling you problems what I had, so I know like other people, and you're probably having the same now, is you may have, if you have a look here at the top right, login, editing, FX, color, audio, you may have like hit some of these and things started showing everywhere and you're like, gosh, what's going on? And well, basically all you do is make sure you just get to editing so everything goes back to normal. And if for some reason you have got at the bottom like export help here, just go to the top right hand corner, click again, and that's it. And then you can go back to the normal settings, and you basically, main things you're going to need is this here, where you can actually view the timeline at the bottom, and filters, because the filters, if you need to do anything, you do it with the filters, whether it's text, you name it, text, resizing, creating this, that, it's always filters. So they're the basic things on show. I'll be doing more videos, so please like and subscribe. You take care. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.